Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing a fast, honest review of the Wisey app in 2026. The good, the bad, and whether it's actually worth your time and money. So let's dive in. What is Wisey? Wisey is a digital self-improvement and productivity platform advertised to help you build habits, improve your focus, and get more structured in daily life. It mostly delivers short lessons, videos, and guided content to help you break down habits and stay consistent with tasks. Mainly mobile browser based rather than a heavy desktop experience. In simple terms, it tries to be like a personalized coach for productivity and mindset. Pros. Here's what users liked. Easy to understand content. Many reviewers say the lessons are simple and digestible, even beginners can follow. Helpful or building awareness. Some users feel it nudges them into small positive routines that they otherwise wouldn't start. Support team responsiveness occasionally. A number of people praised the customer support for quick replies and solving issues. Grounded nudges instead of harsh productivity pressure. Some users like that it doesn't constantly shame you for underperformance, just encourages awareness. So if you want light structure and reminders to reflect, this can be decent. Cons. Now, this is big. Here are the common negatives. Subscription or billing confusion. One of the most repeated complaints is unexpected charges, hidden extra fees, or unclear subscription costs. Many report being charged more than anticipated. Refund difficulties. A lot of users claim getting refunds is hard, even when they cancelled early. Opaque pricing and upsells. Some reviewers say pricing isn't transparent, you do not know full costs until after sign up, and there can be upsells like ebooks that were not clear initially. Mixed reviews on usefulness. While some find it helpful, others say the content is basic, repetitive, or what you could easily find free elsewhere. Some negative user experience labeling it scam like. Across Reddit and Trustpilot, multiple users describe billing practices as misleading or overly complicated. So the biggest issues revolve around money and transparency, not necessarily the daily lessons themselves. Who it is good for. This might work well if you want gentle productivity nudges, if you prefer guided reflection and habit building over strict tracking, if you are okay with subscription services and understand billing before signing up. Who it is not good for. Probably avoid it if you hate subscription surprises, if you want science backed or therapy grade self help tools, if you are sensitive about refund policies or hard to cancel plans, if you expect professional coaching. Final verdict. So here's the honest truth. YZ can help some people stay mindful and introduce good habits, but it is not revolutionary. The real pain point is billing and subscription clarity. Many users have reported unexpected charges and trouble getting refunds, which is a big red flag for something sold as a self help tool. If you are curious, try the trial only after reading all the terms carefully, and make sure you know exactly what you are signing up for to avoid surprise charges. And my advice before signing up, read the fine print. If you want simple motivation and daily structure, it might be okay. But if you are expecting deep coaching or transparent billing, you might be better off with free productivity tools or habit trackers. And that's all for today's review. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.